Well, it's Saturday. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon, 2:20. I've been out here a couple of hours working on some stuff for Fred, and I'll show you. My bike's still up on the lift. I'll probably bring him down and put Fred up on the lift probably tomorrow. My little Triumph's over there in the corner. And notice that he's nice and clean underneath. It's a no-leak motorcycle. Can't say the same thing for the Starship. There's actually a drip somewhere. I saw it. Let's see. All right. It's not that black spot. It's right behind the black spot. There it is. Right there. So I might look for that, I might not. Black spot's not a leak. Anyway, big red Starship is up there. I came out because I'm a little bored to death. I had other stuff to do. And so I came out and I took the rear hydraulic brake assembly off of Fred and cleaned all the parts and got ready. This is the rebuild kit. These are the parts that are included in a rebuild kit. And I took it all apart and cleaned it all up. I'll paint this black, and I've shined this up. The inside's absolutely pristine, so I'm not worried about doing a rebuild rather than replace. It's nice and clean all the way in. So I'll put I'll paint this black, let it sit for a day or so, and then put all this back together and have the rear brake master cylinder complete. I still have the let's see, the front master cylinder parts are over here. They've been painted and dried, so they can be put back together. So I'll bring that rear part over and paint it, and then make some progress. So that's where we are. Just thought I'd let you know what's happening here on a lazy Saturday afternoon.